Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Right here is my longevity spinach and my Okinawa spinach patch. They're really closely related. They almost look exactly the same, except the Okinawa spinach is purple underneath the leaf, as you can see. And right now I'm going to show you some close-up shots of the longevity spinach. Just beautiful and bright. I'm doing this so in case you guys want to know how it looks like up close, because it is a plant that you should consider purchasing. And now I'm going to show you the Okinawa spinach up close as well. So you can see the underside of the leaf is purple, just beautiful. When it gets colder, it's even more striking. I want to show you how fast longevity spinach can grow. Okinawa spinach can grow pretty quickly as well, but not as fast as longevity spinach. Okay, right here, my dog hit this plant and broke the leaves. That was yesterday. Today, look at the new leaves that are forming already. Those baby leaves were not there yesterday. Pretty amazing stuff. Happy gardening, everyone.